Hello and welcome to Profit in 30 Seconds. In this video, you are going to learn how you can start making profit, almost doubling your money every 30 seconds. And how are we going to do that? We're going to do it through RBoptions, which is a binary options broker. Now the great thing about RBoptions is as soon as you sign up, you can get a free demo account with $50,000 to play with. I mean, basically, you just work on the strategies I show you with that demo account until you get really confident and you get really good with those strategies with the demo account, so you do not use real money, basically, so you can't lose your actual funds. So the great thing about RBoptions too is it's only $250 to start an account. Basically, that $250 is going to be deposited into your trading account, and that's the $250 real cash you trade with. Now, that's the minimum, but I highly suggest you put in at least $500 because the more you put in, the more you'll be able to profit. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Of course, the first step is to go down below this video and click the banner and create a account. Okay, that's the first step. You have to do it. As soon as you get that created, then you can go ahead and start trading. So as soon as you create that account, and it only takes a couple minutes, you just put in some information, deposit, request your demo account, and then you're good to go. So I'll go ahead and show you a couple strategies right now so you can start making money right away. So this is the cool thing about binary options is you can profit every 30 seconds. Okay, you can make money every 30 seconds, and it's very simple to do. All you have to do is know a couple strategies, and you're good to go. Now, let's go ahead and start with the martingale strategy, which is the best strategy, I think. It's one of my favorites and has actually been the most profitable for me. And basically how it works is you start going with the trend of the market. Now, a trend is you can see the momentum of the market. This is an uptrend right now. If we go to 2 hours, you can see it's kind of over a 2-hour period. It hasn't gone really up really high or down. There's a couple spikes here, but Euro USD today is kind of playing out, but there is still momentum in the market, as you can see, so we can still make profit. So that's one thing you want to look for, is just momentum. Make sure that there's definitely some ups and downs. And one thing you can do too is go to the binary options tab over here, and you can look at Euro USD and see what the trader's choice is. How many traders are going for Euro for the calls or put here on Euro USD? As you can see, 51% of traders are saying it's going to go down. So we go back to the 60 seconds tab, select 30 seconds trades right here, and basically all we're doing is predicting whether the market will go up or down in the next 30 seconds. That's all we have to do. And as you can see over here on our right, we have the amount we're going to put on each trade. Now, the reason I suggest you put $500 in your account is because when you have $500 in, then you can make bigger trades. Instead of starting with a $5 trade, you could start with a $20, maybe a $50 trade, and make, instead of $3 profit, you could make, $37 profit in 30 seconds. Or, a $250 trade, you're looking at, over $100, or actually almost $180 some dollars in profit right there. So I mean, it's, the more you have in, the better. But if you have only $500 in, I would not do a $250 trade right off the bat. I would build up my account a little bit. But anyway, it's all up to you. But I'm going to show you the strategy starting with $5 trades here. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to predict whether it's going to go up, which is a call, or a put is down. So if we select call, we're saying the market is going to go up in the next 30 seconds. We approve that. And if this is a successful trade, we're going to be paid an extra $3.70. That's $3.70 profit just for predicting whether it'll go up or down. Now the cool thing is too, is if you lose this trade, as you can see we're winning right now because it's green, but if we lose this trade, we can easily make our money back and still profit with the martingale strategy that I'm about to show you. So basically, I believe this trade is going to win here. Basically how it works is, I'm going to go ahead and enter another trade, keep going as I talk. Basically how it works is if you lose a trade, if this ends in the red and it says lost, all you have to do, as you can see, it's jumping around a bit, now it's going up, it looks like we're going to win. What you do though, if you lose the trade, you just go to a $10 trade. And as you can see, it's $17.40 payout. So we'd cover the loss of the $5 trade that we lost previously, and we'd make $2.40 profit still. And that's only in a minute. So as you can see, we won this trade as well. And it's very rare, when there's momentum in the market and you're predicting correctly, it's very rare that you're going to actually lose. And I'm actually going to try to lose a couple trades so I can show you the martingale strategy. And it looks like we're going to be able to do that here. So I'm going to get the $10 trade set up. As soon as this trade expires, we're going to go ahead and make another call. One thing we want to make sure we do is we stay in the same direction in all our trades. It looks like we're going to win this one too, which is alright. We just start over with another $5 trade. Oh, nope, that one was a loss. Let's go ahead and get back in the game here. Now see, as you can see though, I've already won 2 trades, made $6.80, or wait a minute, I might be wrong there. Over $7 in profit in just 1 minute with the two trades I made. And as you can see now, this I'm only having to martingale once, which actually we might have to go twice. See what happens. But anyway, we're still doing really well. It's hard to actually lose with a good currency pair like Euro USD if you go with the trend, the current trend at that current time. And we can lose a couple trades, but pretty much every time you don't have to martingale more than 5 times and you're good to go. That's why I suggest having quite a bit in your account, just in case. Now, just in case you have to martingale up to like 4 times. But as you can see, it looks like we're going to win this one as well, which will still bring us over $5 in profit. So we're still doing really well. And as you can see, it's just stupid easy. Oh, this is a tie. This looks like this one is going to be a win. So we're going to go ahead and do another $20 trade because that was the one that tied. But as you can see, we are still making quite a bit of profit here, and you can do it. Let's say you do this for an hour a day, and you start with a $500 account. Instead of starting with a $5 trade on the beginning of your martingale, you could do like a $20 or a $50 trade. So it's more chances to profit and more probability. And the great thing about it is it's just super easy with this strategy, and if you just keep going with it, you're definitely going to profit. Now, couple things though, couple disclaimers is, if you do not know what you're doing, binary options can be risky, so you gotta stick with the strategies. And one thing you have to make sure you do is don't trade when there's no momentum in the market. So for example, if you don't see these highs and lows, you see like this really choppy area right here all the way across, don't trade. Or if you see like a straight line, just don't trade, okay? Just wait until you get more momentum. The best times to trade are usually in the late afternoon or between 9:30 and 11:30 Eastern time in the United States. Those are the best times to trade during the day. Those are the days with the most momentum. So as you can see here, we're profiting, we're doing really well. We've already made quite a bit of money, and I'm just showing you, I'm just demonstrating this strategy. It's super easy, and that's really all you have to do is just stick with this simple martingale strategy. As soon as you start your account, demo it for a while. Once you get comfortable with it, toy with different times of the day. As soon as you get a good time that works really well on certain days for you, just trade for a couple hours a day, make a couple $100 a day, and enjoy your profits, because it's really that easy. I mean, as you just saw, I just showed you live me trading. Let me get rid of that. And it was that easy. So let's go ahead and talk about RBoptions for just another minute here. RBoptions, it's one of the best brokers in the world for binary options. They have great payouts. You have, I believe, 2 or 3 free withdrawals each month. So as soon as you want to withdraw your money, they can just transfer it right to your bank account. You have a 24/7 live broker right here you can chat with at any time. They have the mobile apps. in the App Store, so you can trade even like on your lunch break or something on your smartphone or tablet. So you have the option and opportunity to profit anywhere you are. So this is a huge basically, I mean, a huge opportunity. All you have to do is just take advantage of it, sign up, and just test this strategy right here, and you'll be good to go. I mean, you stick with this, you're golden. Now, a couple things you can toy with too is on days where there's not as much momentum, try maybe doing 60-second martingales. It's the same thing as the 30-second, except you're actually going, the expiry time is 60 seconds instead of 30 seconds. So let's go over it one more time so you can see exactly how it works. You're going to go to the 60-second tab and click the 30-second options, and you are going to go ahead and start with whatever amount you want to, but just got to do the math and figure out how to martingale it. So every time if you lose a trade, the next trade you'll be able to still make profit and cover for the last trade's loss. So you do that, and then you go ahead, decide whether you want to call up or do a put down, and click approve as soon as you do enter the trade and wait it out. So it's that simple. That's all you have to do, and you can profit every single 30 seconds with RBoptions. So go ahead, go down below the video, click the banner, create your free account, and start demoing, start playing with this strategy, and start profiting and enjoying enjoying your profits, because I know people that have been able to make up to $500, $1,000 a day with this one strategy. So just go in there, enjoy. Thank you so much. I hope this is helpful. I hope you take advantage of it, and I'm really happy that you actually took the time to watch this video. I'm really excited for you, and I hope this helps a lot of people, and I hope this helps you with your financial situation, good or bad. This is a great way to make some extra money, or maybe even a full-time income. It's all up to you. So thanks again, and take care.